It's October 10th, 2021 on a Sunday morning. 2021 Sunday morning, October 10th. The Broad Street Run is taking place as they say it would take place, and more people running down the street. More coming down, running down. As you can see, it's chilly, cold wind, rainy, damp, of course, dark day on a Sunday morning, and people are still running. People are still running for good cause. For good cause with a kind heart. They push forward. They press on against the elements. There you go. Ooh, I can feel the breeze. It's very cold. You know that cold breeze in October when it rains? Yeah. And still they're pushing on. Some runners, not really people, some runners have no shirt on. They run without a shirt, as you can see. Right there. Hey. You see the people running for a good cause. Look at that, more and more people. More and more people running down Broad Street for good cause on a Sunday morning. Runners with kind hearts for a cause. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Look at all those people. Look at all those runners. Sunday morning. A rainy, dark, cold day. Or morning, Sunday, October 10th, 2021. The Broad Street Run. The Broad Street Run. There you have it. Look at all those people, all those runners. All those runners running. Look at that. Wow, more and more. Look at all that crowd. Look at that crowd of people. Wow. You would think that the cold morning with all that rain would stop them, but no. They march. They run on and on for a good cause. Strong, courageous, kind people, wonderful people. Wonderful people, kind hearts, courage against the elements. Running. And let me tell you, it's cold. Just taking this recording of the runners, I'm cold. So it's cold outside this morning, Sunday morning. Yet they're running. Look at that. All these kind, wonderful people. All ages. Look at that. Just running. Look at that. Wonderful people. Look at that. Broad Street Run on October. Look at that. More and more people. Wonderful, kind-hearted people running for cars, running to help others. Running fake cars. Look at that. It's kind of drizzling. It was raining a little harder earlier. But you can feel that the rain is coming down slowly, drizzling lightly. But that irritates you when you walk or run. The cold wind, as you can see the tree is blowing. See how the tree is blowing? Yes, and it's a cold chill in the wind. A very cold chill. Just recording this event, I'm cold. But see, they're running. You know it's raining. You can see it on the car, on the puddle, on the streets. It's a drizzling rain that irritates the body when you walk or run. As you can see, the wind on the tree, how it blows. See how strongly it's blowing, the wind? And it takes with it a cold chill. And the cold chill is one of the elements that these runners are running. They're running and have to fight against this, or as they run forward. You know, they have to endure against the wind, the chill. You see that? Look at the trees. See how the winds are blowing? That's how much the wind is blowing. Hey, look at that tree over there. See that? The wind? That's what's happening. Damp, cold, damp wind that they have to run against as they go forward. Running for cars on a Sunday morning, October 10th, 2021. Look at it. Hey, there you go. More people coming, more runners really. See it? More and more coming. There's no stopping. They must press on. They know that. They know they must press on. They're running for good cause. These wonderful people, strong, courageous, against the elements of nature. They will press on. Look at that. More coming. More coming. Wonderful, courageous people on a Sunday morning against the rain, the cold wind, just running. Running. Look at that. More and more. More and more people running. See it? Let me see if I can get a close-up of far away over there. There you go, see it? More and more people running. Multitude of people running down Broad Street. The Broad Street Run, October 10th. Usually this event takes place on May, the month of May, But because of the COVID-19, it was postponed for a while. Now, October 10th, on a Sunday, rainy, cold, windy Sunday, they're running again down Broad Street for good cause. Hey, look at that. More and more people running down. More and more runners. Look at that. Hey, no end to the running. Running for cause. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Huh? Look at that. Wonderful, courageous people, kind-hearted people, running for a cause. Sunday morning, against the cold wind, as you can see on the tree how it's blowing, the cold wind, the rain, just running. Look at that, more and more people. There's a slight drizzle of rain coming down, but it kind of irritates you. It irritates the skin. Earlier it was raining a little more, much harder, but now it's just drizzling. You know that drizzle that irritates the skin when it comes down? That's what's going on right now with the cold wind. With the cold wind. Look at that. Endless people running down Broad Street. Endless runner. Look at that. Look at that.